Hello guys, this is Mohit Goda from Stephen Teshwar College of Engineering. So today's topic was user interface design. So let us get into the topic. So agenda is introduction to an UI and source code and description of a design. What I have done, user interface. So it is a description of the design and at the last, the importance of an user interface. Why we require an user interfaces. So it is a so let us see in the PPT. So coming to an introduction, user interface design. It is a process designers use to build interfaces in software. So suppose if you wanted to use any software or an hardware of a system, so we require an user interface, right? And focusing on looks or style. So it for user interface, it's all depend upon the style. Designers aims to create interfaces which users finds easy to use and pleasurable. And UI design refers to graphical user interfaces and other forms. Examples: voice controlled interfaces, etc. And then examples of interfaces was Windows, Linux, etc. So coming to end code, what I have done is this is a user HTML. So yeah, we have done a code in an HTML and then CSS. So this is an user HTML. Coming to another code, yeah, this is a product HTML. We have created an application, right, which is an Nike shopping app. So which is an having an products. I have been designing 4 products, that is in 4 shoes. So this is the code of that. So next coming to an user CSS. So this is the CSS style what we have done for that application. So and this is a settings CSS. In the applications there will be a settings, right? So for that settings we have done some of the styles. So this is the code of that. So next, the description of the design. So basically I have done the Figma, user interfaces in Figma, which is a free platform where we can design our web interfaces or an application interfaces, iOS interfaces, etc. So Figma, it is a free platform, so everyone can prepare their own user interfaces for free. So it is a popular tool for designers, product managers, writers and developers, and helps anyone involved in the design process contribute, and they can give feedback which help the Figma to improve their product. And Apple's first official design kit of Figma, it contains a comprehensive set of components: views, systems, interfaces, textiles, color styles, materials, layout grids, etc. There is a lot of features in Figma where we can design our applications interfaces easily. So this is the description of the design. Coming to in first, we have designed an home page. So where it will be having a search bar, and then the name of the applications. There will be an button, previous button. Then I have created an 4 shoes, right? So where user can view the shoes, and there will be a cost of that shoes. This is the home screen. Coming to an second one, shopping cart. So if an user wishes to add this shoe to the cart, so that user can add this to the cart by clicking at this button. So it will add to the cart, and user can add the pairs, how many pairs that he want here. So this is a shopping cart that have been created. Next one is settings. So as an application, setting has been important, right? So suppose user has to change his account profile, or it requires an customer care notifications, etc., and coupons. So settings has been required. So I have done these settings user interfaces. So before going to an what are the importance of user interface, let us see how I have done the user interface, right? Sorry, so this is the user interface that I have done. So this is the shoes. Suppose if an user want to view this shoe, particular shoe, if you click on this shoe, so it will open another window. Like this is an another page, right? User can add this if user like these shoes, so he can add this to the cart. After adding to the cart, you can go to the previous. So yeah, after this, if you suppose if you wanted to view this shoe, so you can view this shoe also. So coming back again, here we have an cart, delivery, and liked products. This is a home button, so this is a home screen, right? So if you press it, this will be the in this same screen only. So there will be in settings, right? After pressing the settings, so there will be a settings. In that settings there will be an account, customer care, notifications, and how to redeem coupons, terms and conditions, refer and earn, and etc., and logout, etc. These are the settings of an application. So after pressing and back, it will again go to the home screen. right? So this is the home screen. So this is a user interface that have been designed. So at the last, come to an importance of user interface, right? So this is a importance of user interfaces was user experience. So based on the user experience, it helps the UI designer so improve the design of an UI user interface, and all well designed and interfaces enhance usability, making it easier for users to interact with an application. So with this user experience, they can sorry, they can make the user interfaces which is been which satisfies the user. So second one is efficiency. Obviously, if if we design any product, the efficiency is important. In the same case, for a UI interface, efficiency has been required. So it is another importance of UI interface. Third one is accessibility. A good UI takes into account accessibility principles, ensuring that an application is usable by the people with disabilities. So this is an accessibility. If an user designed an user interface so that it can be easily accessed by everyone, even the person with disabilities, he can access the user interfaces, right? The fourth important was brand identity. The UI is often the first visual representation of a brand that users encounter. It is an opportunity to convey the brand identity, values, personality, etc. Even the user interface, it convey the brand identity. If it is an easy for the users to use, so it can promote the brand. Error reduction. A well-designed UI can help prevent using user errors by providing clear guidance, feedback, and validation, etc. So by creating an user interfaces, we can reduce the errors. Then engagement. In consumer application, a visually appealing and engaging UI can captivate users and encourage them to spend more time using the application. The last application was feedback and improvement. So if you design any products, feedback is very important for the developer, right? So what are the mistakes that have been done and what improvements you need to make in the user interface. So feedback and improvement, it also play one of the importance of user interface design. So thank you.